Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. I got our partner here, Steve Rhodes, growling and prowling with us. Hope everyone's having a great day out there, safe day out there. What do we have out here happening, folks? You get the Dow. Excuse me, folks. Holy cow.
That's okay. You can be ventriloquist. I can fill in for you.
I'm telling you. You get the Dow down 97, Nasdaq's off 11, S&Ps are off 6. Gold contract is down 13.50 of platinum off 13.75. Light sweet crude off 45 cents today, trading at 96.57. Bonds up a tick at 144.16. Bonds, folks, pushed some good contracts up here. Didn't hold price up at that 144.27. Has the power. You'll build some more calls. You'll be back into that area again. King dollar. King dollar, folks, big numbers. Up 38.6 with 38,000 contracts. Now, 38,000 contracts, folks, is the most amount of contracts King dollar has done, and I think it's almost pushing a year. So bottom line is that you are pushing higher. You're pushing higher with big, big numbers. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Bottom line, you get down to a price point today of 13.43. You close out at 13.56. 13.56 gets you almost inside the range of 13.57, but not quite. You're at 13.55. We did the volume of 900 million versus 900 million. Has to get back inside this higher range to do anything. You have 2 days, no doubt, of rejecting lower price. Bottom line, can't get back in there. Dow Industrials. We take a look at the Dow Industrials. What you have inside the Dow. The Dow, basically flat market. Well, you're down 97. Dow is building cars, though. What the Dow hasn't hit yet is hasn't hit the 12,710 area. We hit the 12,748. That's what it wants to go after. We'll see whether it can break it with volume or not. Nasdaq Composite. Now, Composite, flat market out here in the Composite. You're down 11, but that's not really a flat market. But the Composite, folks, cannot get back inside the range. The range of the Composite is 29.46. You get 2 days in a row. Now, what you have, not only in the Nasdaq Composite, but in the S&Ps, the acceleration down, staying down here, the weekly volumes are going to be much heavier than the weekly volumes when we are dealing with the March 6 area. You know, so it's going to be wild watching this whole baby shake out. Gold out here today, what we did with gold gets down to a price point of 15.78. We're at 15.90 right now, and we did 194,000 contracts. That 15.63 high is, I suspect, going to get tagged. The GLD bottom line confirmed an ABC structure on the way down yesterday, and that has a long way to go down. Wild day. Weird Wally Wednesday. Weird Wally Wednesday, folks. Up, down, and all around. And Weird Wally Wednesday is the Wednesday prior to option expiration. It was a good one. I forgot to read one of our 4 agreements.
You didn't. You just delayed it for a moment.
My God. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Cultivate wisdom. You don't have to accumulate knowledge to become wise. Anyone can become wise. When you become wise, you respect your body, you respect your mind, and you respect your soul. When you become wise, your heart, your life is controlled by your head. By your heart, not your head. I'm telling you, man.
And you got a webinar to do tonight too. That's okay. I'm here to give you energy, baby.
Yeah, it's a beautiful thing. I got the energy. I'm going off the wall here. That's the real bottom line.
You know what you need? You need a bulletproof coffee.
Oh man,
that's what we gotta get. We gotta send out for a bulletproof coffee.
And folks, okay, if you don't know, Steve and I do the program. Steve kicks off TFNN every morning, 9 o'clock. He does 9 to 10. We do 10 to 11. And our man Nico, who's our health expert at TFNN, he has a health show on Fridays at noon. He's got us into this bulletproof coffee, and it is dynamite. I have it every morning now.
Sure. Which one? So you know, one of the things that I do for my subscribers every other week is to do a 1 hour live webcast. So we just finished doing that. So I want to pass along something to all of the listeners that are out there, because you know, you talk about the Dow Okay, you got 30 stocks. The S&P, you got 500 stocks. The NDX 100 stock. Now, what is also very important to watch, in my opinion, folks, is the New York Stock Exchange.
NYA, you mean?
Okay, that's right.
Cool.
The NYA. Okay. Now, if you listen to the show that I do at 9 o'clock in the morning, or the Money Master show that Tom and I do, you know that I like to take ownership of things. And one of the things that I take ownership of is hammer candles. Now, hammer candles are really, when you talk about the yin and the yang of the market, what's actually very cool about that is it truly is one of those candles where you truly see the fight between the bulls and the bears.
Yes.
Because in order to have a hammer candle, folks, the market has got to be moving down. And it's got to be moving down. In this case here, yesterday on the New York Stock Exchange, for all of you folks that have charting software packages at home, go take a look at the New York Stock Exchange candle that was made yesterday. Very important candle, because it should have acted as support. It didn't.
Right.
Okay, because in that case there, you know, what it's telling you is intraday, the bears were absolutely in charge. We're pushing price down. And then coming into the close, you had the bulls step in and push it up.
Right.
And today, with having a close below that hammer candle, that is very, very ominous, folks. So if you're out there, if you are out there, you've been long, you've gotten some great profits in this market. Look, it's not that you can't have a bounce from here, but I will tell you that the longer-term impact of today's close on the New York Stock Exchange, and then when you take a look at the New York Stock Exchange, you're now down. But where's your next swing point, Tom? Where this thing's going to trade down to?
Yeah.
See, there's no more support in here. So you just lost the support of all the bulls yesterday with today's close.
Right.
You're down below the swing point that's in there that came in on April 10th, right?
Yes.
Right. We're down below that. So where's your next swing? Your next swing point takes you all the way back to December 19th.
Exactly.
I mean, you've got a little bit of support. You know, you're below October 27th, and we know that that's a real important piece of information. So the New York Stock Exchange, the wider breadth of our marketplace here, the New York Stock Exchange closed below the October 27th high. Right?
Yeah.
You know, so just
the October 27th, because you remember on the way up, that was the benchmark on the way up.
Yeah, we're looking now. There's no way we're going to bust.
Yeah. Bottom line, you're going down right down the other side.
So I just thought I would really pass that along to to our listeners out there, because it's important.
It's a big number. Priceline, PCLM, folks. You want to see something up, down, all over the place? Well, it's Priceline. So check it out. Priceline closed at $718. Numbers came out, traded down to $675, came all the way back up. Now it's at the $719. It's up $1. And the numbers go like this. The estimate was $743. They came in with $720 to $740. I mean, the thing that's amazing is that they come in below estimates and they're still trading even.
Yeah.
You know, Cisco just come out with numbers. CSCO, that closed at $18.78. That's trading down 35 cents. Numbers on Cisco go like this. Their estimate was the sale estimate was 11.57. They come in with 11.59. They get margins. Look at the gross margins went up 63% versus 61, and there's not much. Look at that. She's been going down for quite a while. Interesting.
Yeah.
Not much there. Big. You know what's amazing about Cisco, folks, is that some of these equities, but Cisco's one that she has 5.3 billion shares. I mean, is that over the top or what? You know, that is so far over the top, it's unbelievable. It really is. It's just amazing.
Does that get 5.3? What's Microsoft have, though?
MSFT. I think that has 5, too. Shares.
Is it in there?
Yeah, I have it. I'm trying to read it, though. See, what happens, there's always 8.4. 1 second. No, that's 8.4. 1 second.
Yeah.
I think that's
okay. I don't want to throw you out.
No.
I'll say 8.4.
Yeah, but I think that. Yeah, no, 8.4 billion. Oh my God! Can you imagine 8.4 billion?
And that's why when some of those stocks move, it's important to pay attention to them.
Oh,
yeah,
because it takes that much to move.
Yeah.
This is Steve Rhodes, Tom O'Brien. Appreciate you growling and prowling out here with us, folks. Right now, the Dow finished down 97, Nasdaq off 11, S&Ps are off 750. We're gonna be right back.